warmer temperatures, though. We need a little bit of a break
for this time of year, today was real nice. But if you thought it was warm this afternoon, tomorrow even warmer. So looking pretty good. Here is a look at the satellite radar showing quiet weather across the area. But at this time tomorrow, different story will be seen. Tomorrow we are expecting widespread rain, but for right now, looks partly clear. A few light returns, maybe a little bit of light showers, but most of us will stay dry this evening. Here's a Blunt County view. Sun has set, it is dark. Sun keeps setting earlier and earlier. Winter solstice coming up this weekend, and that's the shortest day of the year. Sunday, the shortest day of the year coming up. Right now it is quiet. A few light showers, mainly our far southern areas, but most of that isn't even reaching the ground. It looks pretty quiet out there right now. The winds are light, temperatures pretty mild for this time of year. 50s pretty much area wide. Seeing a few 40s, Kingston 46, but Knoxville at 50, Tellico Plains in the mid 50s still. Tonight, the temperatures will completely bottom out because clouds will continue to increase. Mid-30s tonight, most areas staying just above freezing, but on the Tennessee-Kentucky border, maybe a few areas around freezing, but for this time of year, not too bad. Mid-30s. Tomorrow, Thursday, temperatures quickly warming up with a strong south-southwest wind. Back in the 60s, which is around 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. But with the warmer air, with that breeze, there will be some moisture moving in, and that will fuel some rain, which looks likely later tomorrow afternoon, but out the door first thing. Here is 7 a.m. Thursday will start dry, but as we go throughout the morning hours, increasing clouds. And then by the afternoon, rain looks pretty likely, so on the way to work and school, you won't need the umbrella, but on the way home, there is a good chance for rain, becoming widespread later in the evening. Here's Thursday, 10 o'clock. Now it's widespread and could be heavy at times as we go throughout the evening tomorrow, quickly clearing out as a cold front moves in. I think by midnight, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning Friday, forecast dries out, skies clear with that breeze, temperatures cooling off quick. Storm potential looks pretty low. A little bit of storm fuel across the plateau, areas south of I-40, but Knoxville areas east, not a lot of fuel. So tomorrow is looking like mainly rain, a few rumbles of that thunder in our western counties. Rainfall totals look pretty good. We do need the rain, around 1/2 inch. Locally, maybe up to 1 inch, so there will be some good chances for rain tomorrow. The winds, another factor. Most areas will see gusty winds, but if you're in the Smoky Mountains, those higher terrain areas, foothills, those winds could be strong to maybe even high, so 40 to maybe 50 miles per hour, which could cause some power issues, maybe blow around some backyard furniture and knock down some tree limbs, so some locally damaging winds can't be ruled out as we go throughout the day Thursday, and then all those winds should settle Thursday night as that front passes through. That flow will make a turn to the northwest. Beyond that, we're looking ahead towards Christmas, where we are in this zonal flow this weekend through midweek next week, giving us daily slight chances for rain. But as we head towards Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, upper level ridge, that means above average temperatures for us and a good chunk of the United States, and dry weather. Forecast for tonight, mid-30s, clouds building. Tomorrow, pretty mild, 61, with some rain chances becoming likely during the afternoon and evening. Here's that 7-day forecast showing cooler weather Friday, Saturday, and then quickly warming up back in the 60s by late week, and we got Christmas Eve on the board. So it's looking like a warmer start as we close out this 7-day stretch.